Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register with Wholesale2b for bulk sourcing step by step clearly. Visit the Wholesale2b website. Locate the sign up button on the home page. Click on the sign up button. Fill in your email address in the designated field. Create a strong password that meets all security requirements. Confirm your password by entering it again in the provided field. Read through the terms and conditions. Check the box to agree to the terms and conditions. Click the Register button to submit your information. Once registered, check your email for a confirmation message. Open the confirmation email and click the verification link. Return to the Wholesale2b website to log in with your email and password. Browse through the available plans and choose the one that fits your needs. Click on the Select Plan button for your chosen subscription. Enter your payment information as required. Review your order to ensure all details are correct. Click the Complete Purchase button to finalize your subscription. Once your payment is processed, you will receive a confirmation. Log into your Wholesale2b account using your credentials. Explore the dashboard to get familiar with the features. Navigate to the Products section to start searching for items. Use filters to narrow down your search by category, price, or supplier. Select a product to view its details and bulk pricing options. Add products you wish to source to your inventory. Once you have selected your desired products, proceed to checkout. Fill in any necessary shipping and billing information. Review your order once more before finalizing the purchase. Confirm your order to complete the bulk sourcing process. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.